Hey, internet friend, Magic Brad here. Look at there's a fountain. Shh, shh, shh. See the fountain? Yeah, that's behind me. It's like a green screen. It's fake. No, it's not. This is the real deal. I'm right out here. I don't know if you can even tell these days. Well, here, let's give you an idea. That's where the green screen is. It's all over the place. No. Anyways, I'm here in Minneapolis, Minnesota, which actually in Minnetonka, Minnesota, which is a western suburb of Minneapolis. Minneapolis, St. Paul, the Twin Cities. And this is it. Make money online. That's kind of a vague, open topic of making money online because that could be anything from placing something on Craigslist and selling it and then delivering it to selling something on eBay or selling something in the Facebook Marketplace. It's kind of a vague kind of topic of make money online. But what I want to talk about a little bit is more affiliate marketing. And that's to me is one of the better ways of making money because you don't have to store anything, you don't have to keep inventory, you don't have to ship anything because you're basically the middleman. So what a lot of people do when they try and make money online is they'll get into something like a subscription box or something. And if you do something like that, now you've got to pack up that whole box of stuff and then you got to ship it off to the person that's subscribing to the subscription box. Kind of an interesting idea, but again, you've got to store the stuff and pack it and ship it and all that kind of stuff. With affiliate marketing, you're kind of the middle person, kind of like what Amazon has done. Amazon doesn't necessarily manufacture the products, and they are smart in that they are warehousing, but they're warehousing stuff, and it's basically because they're selling it so fast, and they've just got a method of that fulfillment by Amazon thing. It's a big conglomerate, and I don't suggest that you try and go after Mark Bezos and try and compete against him. So you're probably an individual that just wants to make some money online, make 500 or 1,000 or 3,000 or maybe $5,000 a month, just to sub. What am I looking for? I'm having I can't supplement your income or replace that job. The thing is with a job is you're working per hour and you gotta put in your time and punch a clock and you gotta try and get as much money per hour as you possibly can, or else you might have to work double time, which is shitty hours, and you get paid more, but you gotta work crummy hours. So the ability of work online is you can do stuff like today. It's a beautiful day, so I'm outside recording this video. This is going to go up on my blog post that you're probably going to maybe read this if you go to, let's see, it's My Wealthy Affiliate Tribe. That's it, .com. That's the domain name for it. And you'll see the multiple postings I've done over the few months. And that goes up on the internet, and that information is connected with different of links and things for products and services. So that's how you learn about affiliate marketing with Wealthy Affiliate University. You can get in there and learn about like keyword research and blogging techniques and optimization, and that's called SEO, search engine optimization. You might have, if you've been researching this, you've probably seen a lot of this kind of stuff already, but I'm putting my hat in the ring and showing you some of the things that I've worked with. I'm recording this right now off of my iPhone. My preference is not to get into all the editing and the fancy thumbnails and all that kind of stuff because I'm really not trying to get views on YouTube. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to explain to you how this works in case you don't want to read all the content. You can just listen to what I have to say. So that's my service to you. So I hope this has been helpful and beneficial. If it hasn't, just comment below. If it has, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. And if you need some help with earning money online and living a sort of a lifestyle of fun, freedom, and fulfillment, just let's connect. Peace. Be well.